So we're right between that house and this house. We're renting this half of a house. Ping pong table, computer. Go to the other side of the office. There's Larry, CEO of Google. Say something, Larry. Hi.
The AI search engine wars are heating up. Google recently announced its Bing ChatGPT competitor Bard, though users don't have access to it just yet. Meanwhile, if you're looking to try out the new Bing yourself, you'll have to join a waitlist.
Look, I have the greatest of admirations for Google and what they've done, and they're an unbelievable company. They're the 800-pound gorilla on this, which is what they are, and I hope that with our innovation, they will definitely want to come out and show that they can dance, and I want people to know that we made them dance, and I think that'll be a great day.
The world of technology is constantly evolving, and two major players in the search engine industry are Google and Microsoft. While Google has long been the dominant player in the field with its search engine, Google Bard, Microsoft has been making strides with its search engine, Bing. In recent years, both companies have also entered the artificial intelligence market with the development of chatbots, and the competition has heated up even further. Google Bard and Microsoft Bing both offer unique features and advantages. Google Bard has a simple and intuitive interface, and is known for its quick and accurate results.
Here's the deal. Microsoft's Bing ChatGPT crossover is officially rolling out, and I wanted to show you what it looks like because in some ways at least, it looks a lot like the search experience we're all familiar with. So here's what the Bing integration looks like on a desktop, for example. Now, I'm gonna be real with you, that's a lot of text for me, but now on comparison, let's look at it on mobile, which is a completely different experience. Personally, as a consumer, I liked this one quite a bit better.
Bing, on the other hand, has a more visually appealing interface and provides users with a wealth of information beyond just web search results. Additionally, Bing has integrated AI technology into its search engine, making the search experience more personalized and interactive.
It's a fantastic question, Rochelle, because, I'm going to give you actually some numbers to really set up the uphill battle that Microsoft is in right here. So Bing's search market share is only about 9% compared to more than 80% from Google. So if search really is the prize here, Microsoft still has an incredibly long way to go.
The development of AI-powered chatbots has added a new dimension to the competition between Google and Microsoft. Google has been working on its own AI chatbot, ChatGPT, while Microsoft has been working on Bing ChatGPT. Both chatbots use advanced natural language processing and machine learning algorithms to understand and respond to user queries.
Most profitable, large software business is search. So I look at this and say, look, I just have to earn one user at a time, an incremental GM. I've never, ever felt this liberated in terms of opportunity in the days ahead. So I'm very excited about innovating, meeting the needs, knowing that the search category is the most profitable and large category. Just on Windows, Google makes more money on Windows than all of Microsoft. So that alone should sort of give us the impetus to really go after this.
In the race to develop the most advanced AI chatbot, both Google and Microsoft have been investing heavily in research and development. Google has been leveraging its vast data resources and expertise in machine learning to develop ChatGPT, while Microsoft has been leveraging its expertise in natural language processing and user experience design to develop Bing ChatGPT.
He passed the U.S. medical licensing exam, the bar exam, and got a B on a Wharton MBA paper.
One of the key advantages of Bing ChatGPT is its ability to understand and respond to complex queries in a more human-like manner. This has been achieved through the integration of advanced AI technologies, such as deep learning and reinforcement learning. In addition, Bing ChatGPT has been designed to provide users with a more personalized and interactive experience, allowing them to get the information they need in a more efficient and effective manner. Google, on the other hand, has been focused on making ChatGPT more accessible and usable for a wider range of users. The company has been working on integrating ChatGPT into its existing suite of products and services, such as Google Assistant and Google Search, to provide users with a more seamless and integrated experience. While both chatbots have their strengths and weaknesses, the competition between Google and Microsoft is driving innovation and pushing the boundaries of what is possible with AI technology. As the competition continues to heat up, we can expect to see even more advanced and sophisticated AI chatbots in the future.
Calling a code red, and there's a good reason for that. ChatGPT is potentially an existential threat to Google's business because Google relies 60% of its revenue on search, and ChatGPT offers an alternative to search, which is a one-stop question answering shop powered by AI. But this could change the game of search entirely, which is core to Google's business.
However, recent reports suggest that Google is panicking over the development of ChatGPT by Microsoft. The company is reportedly concerned that Bing ChatGPT will be able to outperform ChatGPT and gain a significant market share in the AI chatbot market. This has led to speculation that the AI wars have begun, with Google and Microsoft locked in a battle for dominance in the field of AI. While it remains to be seen which company will come out on top in the AI wars, one thing is certain: the development of AI technology is revolutionizing the way we interact with technology and is opening up new possibilities for the future. The competition between Google and Microsoft will only continue to heat up, and the ultimate winner will have a significant impact on the future of technology.